Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Joan Gamet, 38 years old from Banna, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I am married and I have 3 children. I am a high school graduate. I have been working in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for more than 2 years. I take care pets, which is dog, and children aged 6 years old and elderly 70 years old. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, dishes and cars, ironing and marketing. I can take care of a newborn baby, toddler, and children. I love playing, singing, and reading books with them. For children, I always prepare a healthy food for them and let them neat and clean every day. To all Hong Kong employers, please choose me because I'm from a religious family. I am kind, honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and a reliable one. And I will promise to do all my duties and responsibilities until I finish my contract. Thank you, ma'am and sir. See you soon.